So here we are at the Easthampton Harvest Festival 2018 at Nonotuck Park right here in Easthampton, Massachusetts on Saturday, October 13th, 2018. So this is the Bonfire. There's a whole load of wooden pallets and some newspaper. They also have some lighter fluid where the flames are getting big. So they had like chocolate cream pie, apple cider, and cider donuts here at the Easthampton Harvest Festival. Holy shit, those flames are getting really big. It's kind of chilly outside today for mid-October, but being near that bonfire, it's kind of warm. Good enough to roast marshmallows, make like s'mores. So it was kind of chilly and windy today for the Easthampton Harvest Festival this year. Last year it was mild, and the year before it was chilly and windy. And 3 years ago it felt very chilly and windy also.
Oh, I heard that. Yeah, I see something in the bottom.
Holy fucking shit. Flames are growing big. Holy fucking shit. Flames are growing real big. So I should end the video soon and enjoy watching the bonfire. Holy shit. Yeah, pallet just fell. This is a video of the bonfire at the Easthampton Harvest Festival in Easthampton, Massachusetts on Saturday, October 13th, 2018. I'm Max Passa. Thank you for watching. Bye.